Good day to everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important topic. Does the dental health affect your medical health? The answer is yes. I'm Dr. Mohanapriya, dental surgeon and gum specialist. Most of the people are unaware about the relationship between the dental health and the medical health. Most of the dental disease are symptom free. That is, you do not experience pain or discomfort, but still you will be suffering from dental disease which you are not aware of. I would like to share a case report with you so that you understand the importance of dental health on medical health. So a lady of 45-year-old reported to a dermatologist for abscess, a pus collection in the leg, which was initially like a pimple and later turned into an abscess. So the dermatologist saw the abscess and prescribed the antibiotic. After the intake of antibiotics, within a week time, the abscess got subsided. But the same patient came to the dermatologist again after 1.5 months with the same abscess in the same region. So the dermatologist again prescribed certain antibiotics. Again the abscess got subsided. For the third time, after 3 months from the second visit, again the patient experienced the same abscess in the very same location. So the dermatologist sent the pus from that swelling to the laboratory for culture. So the culture report was really a turning point. It shows that the pus in the leg has a oral bacteria in it. So the dermatologist referred that patient to me. The patient visited. I asked her whether she experienced any pain or discomfort in the oral cavity. She said absolute no. In addition, I asked her when was the last dental visit by her. She told it was nearly 6 years back. So on checking the oral status of that patient, I found out nearly 4 teeth which has been affected with abscess. So this abscess in the teeth is responsible for the abscess in the leg. So on treating this abscess in the gum and teeth, automatically the abscess in the leg got subsided. This is one example which shows that the dental health has an influence on medical health. I would like to discuss one more case report with you so that you understand the relationship between the dental health and medical health. A 35-year-old male patient who underwent a cardiac bypass surgery in a young age. So the cardiac surgeon, after operating him, he told the main reason for the heart attack is the dental infection, which the patient is not aware about. The dental infection is the sole reason for the heart attack. According to WHO, a statistic says that 3 million people die every year in India due to cardiovascular disease, among which 50% of the heart attack happens due to dental infection. So if you want a healthy heart, you should have a healthy mouth. Most of the people think if there is no pain in the oral cavity or in the teeth, they think there is no problem. It doesn't work like that. Diabetes, does it have pain? Does it hurt you? Hypertension, does it hurt you? Glaucoma, does it hurt you? Cancer, does it hurt you? So it doesn't hurt at all, but still it matters. So in the similar way, most of the dental infections doesn't have pain or discomfort, but still it matters a lot because it's going to influence our medical health. Have you ever thought why your dental visit has not been regularized? The main reason most of the people say is that I don't experience any pain, doctor. Why should I come and have a dental checkup? Again, I'm insisting most of the dental diseases which is having a greater influence on medical health is symptomless. So kindly visit your dentist regularly and have a checkup and do treatment advised by your dentist. The sad truth is that 95% of the Indian population are suffering from gum disease. The gum disease is the infection which affects your gums which is surrounding your tooth, which will gradually intensify and turn into an abscess. That is the pus collection around the tooth. The pus is a white creamy thing which you see when it's severely infected. Harmful content of the pus is being absorbed into the bloodstream, and from the bloodstream, where does it go? It directly goes to your heart and then to your lungs, from the lung again to your heart, and from the heart this infected blood is pumped all over your body to various organs. Just think, this infected blood which is of dental origin is being pumped into your all organs of the body 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, months and years it is being pumped. The infected blood has been pumped to various organs. Definitely this dental disease is going to have a severe impact on medical health. Let me throw some of the research results so that you understand understand even more better. It's a proven fact that the dental infection and the gum infection have a direct relationship with the heart attack. Researchers have found out that there is a bidirectional relationship between diabetes and gum disease. If you have a severe gum disease, you will have an uncontrolled diabetes. If you have an uncontrolled diabetes, you are more prone for gum and periodontal diseases. Researchers have found the oral bacteria in the brain of Alzheimer's patient. So if you have a dental infection which is not being treated, you are more prone for Alzheimer's disease. In addition, the rheumatoid arthritis also have a relationship with the dental infection. A person who is having a dental infection or gum infection are more prone for rheumatoid arthritis. A pregnant woman with a severe dental infection or the gum disease will have a preterm delivery and as well as sometime a stillbirth too. So always when you're planning for a pregnancy, kindly visit a dentist and do all the treatment before planning for a baby. By hearing all these facts, I think you understand that the dental health has an impact on the medical health. That is the reason I request the medical practitioners to include the dental checkup in the master health checkup so that you don't miss the source of infection which may be of dental origin. The oral cavity is the mirror of your body. So if you have a good dental health, you will definitely have a good medical health. So take care of your dental health and hence you're taking care of your medical health too. Now I'm going to say you 3 steps to be followed to have a good dental health. The first thing is to thoroughly clean the teeth and the oral cavity with the help of toothbrush, toothpaste, dental floss, mouthwash and oral irrigation devices. Kindly consult your dentist regarding the techniques of using the toothbrush and as well as the other oral hygiene devices. The second thing is that grade yourself. That is, how do you know that you have thoroughly cleansed your tooth surface? There is a big hindrance, the tooth color and the plaque color remains the same. So you are not sure whether you have cleansed it properly or not. For this, I recommend a magic solution for you that is called disclosing solution. When you gargle this disclosing solution, it will stain the area where the bacteria is still hanging on and hence later you can again brush the area where it is stained. Now you will be devoid of plaque accumulation in any tooth surface. Third thing is that visit a good dentist, have a complete dental checkup and do the treatment recommended by your dentist and rectify all the dental infections and have a good dental health. If you follow these 3 steps, then you will definitely have a good dental health or good medical health too. We need a healthy mouth for the healthy body. If you like this video and found it to be informative for you, kindly share with your physician, dentists, friends and families all over the world and create a dental awareness and say that there is an impact of dental infection on medical health. The take-home message is that the dental health will definitely impact your medical health in a huge manner. Think twice, take care of your dental health. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to Dental Shot. Have a great day. God bless you all.